How to share Capcut project. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can share Capcut project. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Now click on new project and select the video. Once you are on this page, now you can edit the video as well. After that, click on this little icon at the top right corner. Again, click on Save to Device option. Now wait for some seconds until the video is exported. Once the video is exported, now here you will find different social media platforms where you can share this video. You can also click on these three dots in order to find other platforms. So you can just select any one of them and that's it. In this way you can share video in Capcut. So that's it. In this way you can share Capcut project. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.